Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we're finishing off salary, commission, and piecework. We're going to be looking at commission and piecework here. So commission happens a lot, like when you're selling a house or a car. So it's selling one item, you get a percentage of the item sold. So for example, car salesperson, they sell a car, it's a percentage of the maybe amount, or it could be a fixed amount, it depends, right? It could be, but most of the time it's commission. Same with a real estate agent. They sell houses, there's a commission based on that, and it's worked out as a percentage. So look at this. James sold $24,320 worth of electronics last week. He's paid 3% commission. How much did James earn? So he earns 3% of 24,320. Change the percent to a decimal. All means multiplication. So you're multiplying 0.03 times 24,320 for a total of $729.60. Kara helped to sell a house for $300,000. It was paid a commission of $7,050. What is her rate of commission? So you put the amount earned, so the commission amount earned, $7,050, divided by the total, multiplied by 100, and that'll give you the percent. So there's a couple ways to ask these questions. So the first one is similar to that in the example one. So I'm going to steal that. All right. So 3% of that is going to equal 0.025 of the 50,975. All right, you can leave the dollar sign up for now, or you can put it in. It doesn't make a difference. All right. And 0.025 times 50,975 is $1,274.34. Or sorry, 38 cents. Okay. Do the same with the B question. 6%, 0.06, and that's of the 235,995. All right. So we calculate 6% of that, and we get a dollar amount, so 0.06 multiplied by 235,995, and we get $14,159.70. Okay, so change the percent to a decimal by dividing by 100 of his multiplication, multiplied by the amount, and that is percentage earned. Determine the rate of commission. That is the similar to this question here. So in the first one, all right, go one at a time, I guess. Sorry about that. Just all right. So $120 on $300 worth of sales. So we put the 120 in here, and the 3,000 on the bottom. Let's go just take the zeros out. Multiply by 100, so we get the decimal. 120 divided by 3,000. It gives me 0.04, which is 4%. Okay. We do the same thing here. Don't need to rewrite the formula twice, so there we go. And we got 162 divided by 900. This is a good commission here. So the percent. Oh, change it to a decimal. 162 divided by 900. We get 0.018. So the percent commission is equal to 18%. All right, for B. Okay. So good example 7. Calculate total money earned. Kim is a sales associate at a jewelry store. She has a base salary of $625, so she gets that regardless, and earns 5% of sale and commissions. In 1 week, her sales were, her sales are 4,000. How much commission was earned? So it's one of these formulas here, right? So I just stealing that. It's all set up nicely, that's all. So it is 5% of 4,000. So 0.05 times 4,000. So that would be $200. Alright, mental math. Even though I punched in the calculator, double check, didn't hurt. So we get to $200. Alright. And so, what are total earnings? Total earnings would be equal to the 625 plus the commission of 200 equal to 8 1/4, 825. Okay, and that's it. Look at piecework now. Piecework is an incentive to do more work. So some jobs pay by piecework. This means you're paid for each completed task. So the more you do, the more you get paid. Tree planting. So it wasn't my favorite job. I lasted not very long. Let's put it that way. Sherry plants 3,500 trees and is paid 17 cents per tree. How much is earned? So the money earned is the number of trees multiplied by the cost per tree. 17 cents for a total of $5.95. Derek is paid $8 for every flat of strawberry picks. On Tuesday, he picked 29 flats of strawberries. How much does he earn? So it's 29 flats multiplied by the $8 per flat for a total of $232. So Erica plays Cape Breton County Minor Hockey for each dollar ticket she sells towards the Cape Breton Minor Hockey Partners 50-50 draw. Her family receives 25 cents. Erica sells an average of 125 tickets per week for 26 weeks. How much money will she earned towards hockey registration for next season? So there's a little bit of work here, but we can get through it. So, money earned is going to equal the number of tickets sold. So we got to figure out the number of tickets sold. So if there's 125 tickets per week, right? And then we're going to multiply. This is a great question for like chapter 1 to show the, all right? So 2,500 tickets per week for 26 weeks, right? So if that's per week, that would be showing it as divided by, right, per week. And there's 26 weeks, right, total. So that's what you'd be dividing there, right? So be mindful of that. I meant to do it the other way, sorry. Take that out. Cut 20. I meant to put 26 here, weeks, and I meant to put 125 tickets here per week. That's what I meant to do. My apologies. Okay. And that'll get rid of the weeks, right? Because we're interested in the number of tickets sold. Okay. And the money earned. All right. So I'm going to do this like a conversion factor question. Why not when we're doing multiple conversions? The money earned is 0.25, so that's 25 cents per ticket. All right. So the money earned is equal to 26 multiplied by 125 multiplied by 0.25. So the family earns $812 over the course of the season, which would help pay for registration and equipment. All right. So there we are. So you can write it like that. You could break it up into like smaller chunks if you want. It's up to yourself, right? So how much was earned towards hockey registration for next season? I'll copy that. She earned $812.50 towards her hockey registration for next season. So we usually like to do a statement if we can. Number 9, calculating earning through piecework. This is the last question that we will do. Terry builds wood pallets on Monday. She builds 30 pallets and is paid $3.50 a pallet. What are her earnings from Monday? So the money earned is going to equal the 30 pallets multiplied by, oh, got my brackets, multiplication, multiplied by $3.50 per pallet. Now again, you guys don't have, I can do this just by multiplying, so I know how to do it. Perfect. That's great. 30 multiplied by 350, and that's $105 on Monday earned. If she builds, I had a typo there, if she builds the same number of pallets the rest of the week, Tuesday to Friday, what will be the earnings? So if it's there, and then there's 4 more days, right, so 5 days total, including the Monday, so the money earned would equal the 105 per day multiplied by 5 days, which would equal $525. So $525 for the week. If Terry works a total 40 hours, what is her average hourly rate? So this is what we did earlier, right? Some similar rate. So I'm going to steal that from a previous question. Back up here, hourly wage. And this is the last one, folks. So the hourly wage on average would be $5.25 divided by 40 hours for a total of $13.13. It's 2.5, so we ran up to a 3. And that is the average hourly wage. So that's it. Now remember, from all these lessons, there's extra practice sheets that go along with these. They're called FM1, FM2, FM3, FM4, FM5. But that's it. It's been a pleasure, folks. Hope the videos have helped, and we'll be in touch, and we'll talk again soon.